Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in solving mathematic questions, I'm here for the same. In this video, I'm going to solve exponents exercise 2.2 of Goel Brothers Prakashan, question number 1 and 2. So in this video, this thing has to be very much clear that if the power is given in negative form, the base will get reciprocated in order to remove that negative sign. So start with the question. In question number first part, 4 by 7 raised to the power minus 2, we have to express it with positive exponent. So for removal of negative from the power, we will reciprocate 4 by 7 into 7 by 4. So our answer would be 7 by 4 raised to the power 2. Same as in second part, 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 7. For the removal of negative sign, 1 by 2 will turn into 2 by 1, that is 2 raised to the power 7. In third part, 3 by 5 raised to the power minus 4 will turn into 5 by 3 raised to the power 4. In fourth part, 4 by 1 or only 4 raised to the power minus 5 will turn into 1 by 4 raised to the power 5. In question number 2, we have to evaluate. Same thing will be processed here. If some power is in the negative sign, we have to reciprocate that number. So minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 and minus 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. So it will change into minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 2 plus minus 1, that is minus 2 by 3 raised to the power 1, that is minus 2 by 3. In second part, minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2 into minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. So minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2 plus minus 2, that is minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2 and minus 2, that is minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 4, that is we will reciprocate the number minus 4 raised to the power 4, that will come out as 256. In third part of question number 2, 4 raised to the power 0 into 6 raised to the power minus 2 is to be solved. So if the number has raised to the power 0, that means it will equal to 1. So 1 into 1 by 6 raised to the power 2, that is 1 into 1 by 36. Answer would be 1 by 36. In fourth part, 7 raised to the power minus 2 into 1 by 14 raised to the power minus 1. So for removal of negative sign from the powers, we will reciprocate the base as 1 by 7 raised to the power 2 into 14 raised to the power 1, that is 1 by 7 into 7 into 14. 7 and 14 will get cancelled and we will left with the answer 2 by 7. In question number 5 of question number 2, fifth part, 2 by 7 raised to the power 4 divided by 2 by 7 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1. So how will we solve it? 2 by 7 raised to the power 4 into 7 by 2 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1, that is 2 raised to the power 4 by 7 raised to the power 4 into 7 raised to the power 2 by 2 raised to the power 2 will get cancelled, so as to bring 2 raised to the power 2 by 7 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1. So 2 raised to the power 2 will become 4 and 7 raised to the power 2 would become 49 raised to the power minus 1, that is 49 by 4. In sixth part of question number 2, we have been given 7 by 5 raised to the power minus 2 into 7 by 5 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 2. So removal of negative from the power, we will reciprocate 7 by 5 as 5 by 7. So 5 by 7 raised to the power 2 into 7 by 5 raised to the power 3 whole raised to the power minus 2. So 5 raised to the power 2 by 7 raised to the power 2 into 7 raised to the power 3 by 5 raised to the power 3 will get cancelled, whole raised to the power minus 2. So we will come up with 7 by 5 raised to the power minus 2, that is 5 by 7 raised to the power 2, that is 25 by 49. In the last part, 4 by 5 raised to the power minus 2 whole raised to the power minus 1. is here. So removal of negative sign from the power will bring us 5 by 4 raised to the power 2 whole raised to the power minus 1, that is 25 by 16 whole raised to the power minus 1, that is 16 by 25. This is the answer. So in this video I have solved exercise 2.2 of exponents, question number 1 and 2. In my next video I will be solving exercise 2.2 question number 3. If you like my video or if it is somewhere helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.